Hi, I'm Jane. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between a PC and a Mac. Then we will look more closely at a computer screen and see what it looks like after you turn on a computer. Finally, I will explain some common types of smartphones that people use these days. Ready? Let's begin. Here is a common conversation that people might have. Do you have a Mac? No, I have a PC. Often when people talk about computers, they use a Mac or a PC. A PC means personal computer, a desktop or laptop. A PC uses Microsoft Windows OS. Some common brands of computers that use Windows OS are HP, Asus, Dell, Microsoft, Acer. A Mac is a computer made by Apple Inc. Its operating system is Mac OS X. Apple is the only company that makes Mac computers, such as MacBook, iMac. So here are two laptops. Do they look different? They both have a screen and a keyboard. But if you look carefully at the screen, you will see that the backgrounds are different. On the PC, there's a picture of the night sky. On the Mac, there's a picture of a mountain. This picture covering the screen is called wallpaper. You can change the wallpaper to whatever picture you want to make it personal. Next, you can see that the icons are arranged differently on the PC and the Mac. An icon is a picture found on the screen background representing a computer file, folder, or program. On a PC, the icons are often on the left side of the screen. On a Mac, they are usually found along the bottom of the screen. For the NICO course, we will show you the basic functions of a Windows computer. So this is my desktop on my PC. The desktop is what you see on the screen after you log in to a computer. The long area at the bottom is called the taskbar. It is where you find the Start menu, which you will learn more about in another lesson. Also on the taskbar, you can see which programs are currently running. If you look on the left side near the top, you will see many icons that I arranged in this order. Here are some folders. This is how I organize my files. It lets me find things easily and quickly. Here are some apps so I can easily open my favorite programs. Now let's look at smartphones. The two most common cell phones or smartphones people talk about and use these days are Android and iPhone. Do you have an Android or an iPhone? Let me explain the difference. The word Android is actually a mobile OS operating system. It is used on cell phone brands such as Samsung, LG, Google, Sony, Huawei, just to name a few. The word iPhone is actually the name of the phone made by Apple. It uses iOS as its operating system. This is the end. I hope you now know a little more about operating systems on computers and smartphones. The next time you use a computer, check out which operating system it uses. Thanks for watching.